Happy Sunday, everybody. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to do a rundown of my results from posting this week. I am in a challenge for myself of posting every day during the month of March. And so today I wanted to take some time and show you what the results were from 1 week of posting. Stay tuned. Greetings all, I'm Dr. Xeturah Woodley. For those who don't know me, I'm a retired community college administrator and a former university professor who now owns a business here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Now, I want to start off by reminding you that I have a new stationery shop that I'm opening up. It's called The Intentional Inkwell. You'll be able to shop from it online. And I'm happy to say we're going to open the virtual doors next Sunday, March 15th at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So you're all invited to come over to theintentionalinkwell.com and check out our new shop after 12 p.m. or at 12 p.m. next Sunday, March 15th. Okay, those of you who have been watching me this week, you know that I am really committed to posting every single day on YouTube. So here are my goals for this month. The goals were to post a YouTube video every day except for Saturday. That can be either a long form or a short form video. And also I want to start posting on my community page. So I was committed to posting daily there, and most of the content will be focused around my new Shopify store, The Intentional Inkwell. So here are what the results look like. This week, I think I did really good on posting, right? For somebody who hasn't posted anything in almost 6 months. To post, I posted 5 long form videos and 2 short forms. And I even got a chance to post on Saturday. Now, here's the thing. Saturday is my Sabbath day. I don't work on that day. But it hit me as I was recording my Friday video that I could post a short because YouTube allows you to schedule it to go out at a certain time. So I created a short on Friday and scheduled it to go out on Saturday after the Sabbath was over. And so for me, that really worked. So I was able to get 2 short form videos out and 5 long form videos out. And then as far as posting was concerned, I wanted to post every single day. I ended up only posting 5 times. I put up 5 posts and I got 4 likes off of those 5 posts. So I began engagement, which is really good, by creating the post for my community, but I did not get all 7 days worth in, but I did see a little bit of engagement. I also saw comments going up and replied to comments on my YouTube videos. So overall, I'd say that that's a good direction to head in. I was pretty consistent this week. Okay, let's see how the tracking went this week. So first of all, I want to track my subscriber count, both weekly and monthly. And then I'm going to track my watch hours weekly and monthly. So during these weekly reviews, I'm only going to put up the numbers for what changes I saw this week. So here are the results this week for subscriber count and watch hours. So this week I gained 6 new subscribers, which is lower than the week before. So I gained fewer subscribers than I had gained the week before. I started this whole little experiment, but my weekly watch hours went up. So there were 42.4 weekly watch hours. That's pretty consistent with the week before, just up slightly. So I did see my continued subscriber rate go up, but there were more watch hours this week than before, which makes sense, right? Because suddenly I'm posting on the channel, and so people are actually watching the videos. So that's good. Okay, let me get a couple of reflections in here as I'm thinking back about the week. So here's a couple of good things that happened for me this week, I think. I really feel like I said that I was going to do it, I committed to it, and I did it. So I was able to do both long form and short form videos this week because I said that I would. I got the content out every day that I said that I would. So that was really good. It was good to see different people commenting on my videos. I met a couple of my subscribers that have been around for a little while because I started posting again. So that was really great. I also got some really good feedback on my magnetic bookmarks. So the magnetic bookmarks have gotten a lot of good feedback on those. So I think that overall, being able to connect with some of my subscribers and being able to connect with people that gave me feedback about my magnetic bookmarks, that was really great. So overall, I'd say that it was a good week of posting. Now, here's the place that I struggle. Friday is one of my busiest days during the week, and I have all of these commitments in place already during the daytime on Friday. So it took a concerted effort for me to get a video out by Friday evening before the Sabbath set in. Like that was efforting. So there was a lot that went into that. And so one of the things that I'm looking at is I've seen lots of videos from people who are suggesting that you bulk produce videos. And the other thing is I've been watching a lot of videos. I've been watching a lot of football videos from people who are sportscasters that talk about football and basketball. So I've been watching them, and I love that they go live and then they cut down segments and put those out as videos. So I think this week I'm going to try and have a live session at some point and then chop those segments up to send out as videos. I'm going to try and do more than 2 short videos this week. I'm going to try and tie the shorts into the long form video because that's an option. I'll try that. And then I think I'm going to do a how-to video when it comes to making these magnetic bookmarks, because that was a lot of questions that I got in email, friends and family. As I was talking to them, they were asking me about it. So I think I might do a how-to on that. And then that way, when people send me an email or they make a comment, I can just refer them over to that video and they can get their questions answered. So I think that's what my goals are going to be this week. I'm still going to post on my community page. Oh, that's one more thing. Posting on the community page was easier for me when I was just posting the thumbnail that linked people, that led people back to the actual video. So I'm probably going to do more of that too. All right, that is it for my reflections and observations. On to week number 2. And that is it for this week's video. Listen, I appreciate you guys coming and watching and leaving me questions, leaving me comments. It helps hold me accountable for getting my videos up. So listen, if you have any feedback or even to leave a word of encouragement to keep me going this month, I'd really, really appreciate it. Go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and I will respond as quickly as I am able. All right, that's it for this week. Thanks so much or actually, that's it for today. Remember, I still have to post for the rest of the month. Thanks so much for watching, and have a terrific day.